Yeah, I just saw bond pumping yesterday, and people might have been excited once again. But let me tell you one thing: you haven't pumped enough to invalidate the bear flag. Okay, so the technical journey to still come down to $5 remains intact. Okay, so that was a nice, good pump. I get it, but then again, you did even something way more worse with this pump. This pump didn't help at all. It actually even made things worse because what you did instead is you made a bearish continuation pattern known as a three-line strike. So what I'm going to do is go to Google right now and write in three-line strike pattern right there. And I do have a course, guys. If you want to learn all of this, do check out the course. The link is in the description of the video. And this is what it looks like, right? So what you did is you made that three black cross or three red candles. So one, two, three, and a green huge candle to the upside. So this is bearish. You can see that it's bearish. So what did you do? One, two, three, and a huge green candle to the upside. So which means if you come up for bond to actually continue higher, you must break 11.731. You must break it. I repeat it. You must break this level. If you don't break the level, then there's no uptrend because you're going to be breaking the bear flag and you're going to be breaking this three-line strike all in all. So there's nothing bearish to talk about anymore because as long as you're not doing that, you have the bear flag, which is bearish. You have the three-line strike, which is a continuation pattern to move even way more lower. I don't know if there's any more pictures to support this thing, but you can see this one, three red candle and a green candle, is a bearish pattern. It's not a good pattern. Okay, so all you're doing is, again, you're setting in the trap right now to actually make people lose money even more. So what I'm going to do is try to look for more like this image right here. You can see this image. That was the bearish three-line strike. You made three red candles, huge green candle, and then you continue with the downtrend. You can see that. So that's it for this bond update on this one. I hope you enjoyed this. If you liked it a lot, and hopefully it's going to help you out. And let's move on to the next coin, which is going to be DOR.